How to change name on Amazon account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you change your name on Amazon account by using an app. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Amazon app with your account. After you open Amazon, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the bottom right, tap on three lines. From this section, tap on account, and from your account section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option login and security. And from this section, simply tap on the edit just at the right hand section of name. After you tap on that, you'll be able to edit or change your name from here. Simply you'll have to just remove the previous one and type your new name. After that, simply tap on save change. After you tap on that, you'll be able to change your name on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.